Just one DC public charter school system spent over $495,000 in 1 year for data management and software licenses. Additional maintenance and operational costs were extra. That's almost $500,000 in a single year on 5 different software platforms. A top LEA in DC's population is 6,828, which translates to a per-student cost of $72.50. There were approximately 43,000 students enrolled in the DC public charter schools in the school year 2019 to 2020. Therefore, the total cost for data management is approximately $3.1 million per year, plus another estimated $3.1 million for technical resources and maintenance costs, bringing the overall cost to well over $6 million per year. There was also approximately $300,000 spent by the PCSB solely on data validation and generation of PMF reports. Human resources costs were additional. Also spent almost $300,000 just on other software to validate STARS reports data with schools. Again, human resources costs were additional. Overall, the DC public charter school system spends approximately $7 million a year to generate basic reports and to perform data validation across the district. The prime objectives of all of these efforts and expenses on various technologies are to maintain high-quality records of students, provide quality education to the students, use technologies to help improve student outcomes, and ensure that schools are compliant with state and federal laws. The common denominator in all of these efforts is to serve students to improve their educational outcomes. But is taxpayer money being wasted on inefficient processes and siloed technologies? The main goal of all of these efforts is to collect all demographics, attendance, behavioral, and academic data, summarize them in different ways, and then generate various compliance reports such as PMF and STARS. These objectives could have been met by just one well-designed student information management system. Not a one-size-fits-all program, but one tailored to each specific school system's needs. EdIntelligence is a revolutionary student information management system designed to help entire public school communities achieve that goal. Its objective is not only to unify different systems, but also to unify school communities to talk to each other by collaborating and sharing knowledge, especially lesson plans. EdIntelligence understands the burden it takes to validate various compliance reports and to generate a report that tells almost everything about a particular student. EdIntelligence was created to solve the problem and to help schools focus more on education and less on data storage, scrubbing, reports, and validation. Contact EdIntelligence today for a free consultation.